In this video, we demonstrate the instrument cluster repair function for the Chery Jetour X70 PLUS. Tools required: ODO Master, main cable, jumper wires, P004 adapter, high power DC regulated power supply. Jetour X70 PLUS instrument panel F187911075 Ha. Make sure to update the software to the latest version before we get started. Tap odometer. Search for the model in the top right corner and select Chery. Tap manual, select model. Select dashboard and choose the corresponding model. Tap guide and scroll down to find the connection diagram. Tap ECU image to view info, then go back. After returning, tap connector pinout and confirm that the module appearance is consistent. Connect the cables according to the diagram, then tap back. Read the ECU info to confirm the details match. Tap mileage calibration. A repair failed prompt appears. Tap OK. Tap Start. Enter the new mileage. The data has been successfully modified. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.